Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to the next lesson in your Zapier Mastery course. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at the different pricing plans of Zapier and we are going to do some math to understand how much each and every task is going to cost when you are using Zapier to automate tasks. So if you go to zapier.com and scroll all the way down, you will be able to find out a link called pricing, or you can go to zapier.com/pricing directly. And here you can see three different plans: starter, professional, and teams. So the starter plan starts at $20 a month and it can automate 1000 tasks per month. So basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add this data into this Google Sheet just to understand how much it costs per task. So if you look at the starter plan, the monthly cost is $20. The zaps included is 20. And just to make sure that you understand the difference between a task and a zap, I will log in into my account and just show you the difference between a task and a zap. So when you are creating a zap, basically you are connecting two different apps and you just need to create a zap once, and zap is something that you go ahead and create. So here you can see that I have connected blog exit pop-up to Google Sheets, and this is one zap that I have configured. And here you will be able to see every time a particular zap is executed, then a task is consumed. So here you can see 4,995 tasks out of 50,000 tasks I have consumed for this month so far. And you can see there are 38 zaps that I have created. So my account has unlimited zaps. We will get back to that. So we have the professional plan which has 3,000 tasks per month. So let's say professional plan that is 3,000 tasks a month and it comes at $50 a month. So I'll just put $50 here. And the number of zaps included in the professional plan is 50 zaps. So you can run 50 zaps at once and the number of tasks is 3000. So I'll just enter 3000 here. And here you can see the cost per task is actually going to go down. So it is going to be $0.017, which is 1.7 cents. So here it is going to be 2 cents. So if I am going to calculate in cents, is 2 cents, and here it is 1.7 cents. So the teams plan comes with 50,000 tasks a month and costs $250 a month. So I will enter that here. So that would cost you $250 a month. Comes with unlimited zaps, and that is the special feature of the teams plan. So here it is unlimited. There is no cost for the number of zaps you create, but that does not mean that the tasks are unlimited. So they are including 50,000 tasks. And when you look at the cost per task, you will be getting zero point 0.5 cents per task. So this would be 0.5 cents and that's $0.005. So what if you are going to consume more than 50,000 tasks a month? So there is a custom pricing plan for that as well. So here you can see that the higher plan that you go, the lower that you are paying per task. So it makes sense that if you are a team and if you are working with someone, or if 2 or 3 bloggers or entrepreneurs or digital marketers can get together and create a team account and basically split the cost between the team account, then you will be able to go ahead and spend only $0.005 per task or 0.5 cents per task. So here you can see that if I go ahead and divide this by 5, so let's say I divide this by 5, and let's say 5 people get together and go ahead and try to use a Teams account. So every person is going to get their own login and every person can go ahead and maintain these apps separately in a separate account, and everything will be connected to the team account, so it will be billed separately. So if you are going for the professional plan, you will be paying $50 a month. You will have only 50 zaps and you will only have 3000 tasks, and you will be paying $0.017 per task or 1.7 cents. But however, if you are using a team account and 5 of you can share the team account, then you will be paying $50 per account and you will be having 10,000 tasks included for it, and the cost is going to remain the same, which is $0.005 or 0.5 cents. So if you feel that the cost of Zapier is very high, then you can go ahead and find partners who can team up to go ahead and create a group account. So what if you go ahead and use more tasks? So I will log in into my account and see how my account looks like. So my account is a little bit of a old account, and earlier Zapier had different pricing plans. And since my account is an old account, they have retained the same pricing plan for me, and which is definitely beneficial for me. So if you go inside billing and usage, you will be able to see, so here within the usage you can see change plan, and here you can see the different plans that are available for me. So I have professional plus and teams plan, and in teams plan I am paying $125 a month, and it includes 50,000 tasks per month, which is the same as the teams plan, which is now costing actually $250 a month. So I am paying 0.25 cents per task right now with this account. And if I go ahead and have more tasks, then according to my plan, this is what I am going to be charged for more tasks. So first 50,000 is included. Next 50,000 is going to cost 0.005 cents per task. So actually here you can see the cost for the next 50,000 tasks is a little bit higher for me, because I have been grandfathered on the old plan. And for the next 250,000 tasks, it is $0.0025 or 0.25 cents. Next 500,000 tasks at 0.15 cents, and any additional task beyond that, beyond 500,000, is going to be 0.001 cent or $0.001, which means it's 0.1 cent. So for every cent I can run 10 tasks, and here you can see every task is costing me 0.5 cents, but every task will cost me only 0.1 cent if I am going to run like a million tasks a month. So this is how Zapier pricing plan works, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to help you go ahead and sign up for a Zapier team account by partnering you with other people if you really need it. And if you need it, go ahead and leave a comment below that you need someone to share a team account with. So if you are going to be two people, you can pay $125 a month and can have 25,000 tasks each, and still pay only 0.5 cents per task. Or ideally you can go ahead and team up with 5 different people, create a team account, and basically get on the cheapest Zapier plan. And this might have some problem with the terms and conditions of Zapier. They might not appreciate it, so kind of keep it private, just keep it within your own group. And if you are running a company and if you want your employees to have different Zapier accounts, then definitely you can go ahead and sign up for the Teams account, which is going to be beneficial for giving it to different people and letting them have team accounts. So one of the ways that I use team accounts is that I use Zapier for some of my clients as well. And instead of letting the clients have their own Zapier account, what we are doing is that we are charging them for their Zapier usage, and we have basically put them on our Teams account so that the overall cost per task run for the client's services, it's going to be cheaper for us. So that's about it for this video. I hope this video gave you an idea about how the pricing plans in Zapier work, and you can go ahead and see if it is going to be useful for you at this price point. It might feel like it's a little bit costly in the beginning, but as you start using it, you will understand the benefits of Zapier, and you will be able to go ahead and pay that much because you are making that much revenue from your business because of the automation. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.